Welcome to the channel. Today you're going to learn how to play a fun summertime song, and it's going to be easy chords C, F, G7, and G. I'll teach you how to play the chords. I will teach you how to play the strumming pattern, and we will have a sing-along at the end of the video so you can practice singing and playing together. I'm going to play you just the chorus of the song so you can hear how it goes, and then we'll work on the rest of the skills following that. Summertime, summertime, go outside and get some sunshine. Summertime, summertime, summertime's the time to play. So let's go to the chords. So we'll be using the C chord and the G chord, the G7 chord, and the F chord. The strumming pattern is down, down, up, up, down, up. You can tap that and say it out loud, and then that will help you strum it better too. Let's try it tapping and just saying it right here. Down, down, up, down, up. Or down, down, up, down, up. We're going to take each of the chords and we're going to play them 4 times, practicing that strumming pattern. Let's start with the C chord. 1, 2, here we go. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Great. Let's go to the G chord. 1, 2, here we go. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Let's do G7. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And let's just slide over to the F chord. 1, 2, here we go. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. All right, now we're ready to put those strumming patterns in a pattern with the song. So the first chord is C, and we're going to play the strum 2 times on the C chord. Then we're going to play the G chord, 1 strumming pattern. Then we're going to come back and play the C chord, 1 strumming pattern. But then we're going to repeat. So we're going to do 3 total on the strumming pattern there because we're going to repeat that pattern. It's going to be 2 on the C, 1 on the G7 this time, and then back to the C for 2 strums. We're going to play it together now, strumming, and I'm just going to sing the melody on do while you practice playing the ukulele and your strumming pattern and see if you can get that pattern so that you can later sing and play the song. 1, 2, ready, play. Do do do. Let's put it with the words. 1, 2, here we go. Summertime, summertime, go outside and get some sunshine. Summertime, summertime, summertime's the time to play. The next part of the song is going to be the first verse. And we're not going to worry about words like I said. We're just going to do the pattern, the strumming pattern. And we're going to go to the F chord. And we're going to play the pattern 4 times on the F chord. Then we're going to play the C chord, 4 patterns on the C chord. Then we're going to play the G7 chord 4 times, 4 patterns. And then we're going to come back to the C chord 4 times. Now let's put it together. We're going to start on the F chord and we're going to play 4 patterns. 1, 2, here we go. add a little bridge or tag onto the end of the verse, and it's going to be G7, 1 pattern to F, to C, 2 times. Repeat, G7, F, C. And then I add a little G7 in here, 2, 3, 4, and then we're back to the chorus. We're going to start on the F chord. 1, 2, here we go. Swim in a pool where the clams keep cool and the clownfish laugh all day. Hike on a trail where coyotes wail when they see you pass their way. Run in the park where the doggies bark and the birds chase them away. Dig in the sand, build a castle so grand, king crabs come to stay. Now we do the tag to the G7. Summer time's the time to play. Summer time's the time to play. Now let's sing and play the song together. 1, 2, here we go. Summertime, summertime, go outside and get some sunshine. Summertime, summertime, summertime's the time to play. Swim in a pool where the clams keep cool and the clownfish laugh all day. Hike on a trail where coyotes wail when they see you pass their way. Run in the park where the doggies bark and the birds chase them away. Dig in the sand, build a castle so grand, king crabs come to stay. Summertime's the time to play. Summertime's the time to play. I hope you enjoyed this ukulele tutorial and that you have fun singing the song Summertime. You can find this song on all your favorite music channels, YouTube Music, Spotify, and Apple. It's called Summertime. Thanks for watching this video. I hope that you'll like and subscribe and follow me so you get more fun ukulele and music lesson tutorials.